In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a leaking shower tap in 2 minutes for $2. Now, the tools you're going to need is a pair of pliers. You're also going to need a spanner at the right size, which I'll show you how to do. And you're also going to need something like this, which is another valve. Now, before you get too carried away, make sure you first of all head out to the mains, turn the water off. You want to make sure that's the case, otherwise you'll get a big surprise when you start to loosen this off. So once you've done that, the first step is going to be aiming to get the hardware off the wall. So this is our setup that we have just here. And what I'd suggest is just open that up a little of the way. You'll notice a little bit of water will end up sort of falling out from the shower head. Just releases the pressure before we start to undo all this. And sometimes to get this first bit off, you might need a spanner, but a lot of the time it's just finger tight. So as you'll see, mine just comes off pretty easily, just like that. And we can get that first bit off. And then what you should find is this just easily comes off now. And then for this one, we just want to unscrew it. So it just turns off really easily, just like this. There shouldn't be a huge amount of force that you need. Eventually it will just come all the way off. There we go. Now this next step, you want to find the right size spanner to get around this section here. Be gentle on this. You don't want to go too hard and break it, but it will be on reasonably firmly. We've got the right size spanner here. For me, this is at 22 mil. So we're going to just gently loosen that. And as you see, once it's loosened, it will tend to spin pretty freely. And you should be right just to turn it off with your fingers. So this is coming out. There'll often be a little bit of water that leaks out with this. And as you'll see, there's the valve just in here, which as we take it out, we'll quickly see exactly what's failed. Now, sometimes here you'll be able to sort of reach this and pull it out. As you can see, I can reach it, but it's not coming out too easily. So I've got a pair of pliers here. I'm just going to grab onto it and out it comes. And we can see pretty clearly, this is why I had a leak. Looks like the surface of this valve has got a big crack in it. So I just pulled the valves out, and this is a brand new one, and just have a look at what that looks like. It's uniform, it's flat, it's going to make a great seal. And this is what we just pulled out of ours. It looks rubbish. We actually see it started to tear away off it. So there's no wonder there's water coming through that at the moment. All right, so what I've got first of all is this part here, and we're going to put the washer, sorry, the tap valve in it, just like that. And then what we're going to do is just place that in here and just tighten that up. Just be gentle to find the thread. You don't want to force this. Okay, and once you've got it in there and you've got it as finger tight as it's going to be, just get your spanner just like last time, and you just want to gently tighten. It's reasonably firm, but not over tightened. Just want to make sure that there's no chance of any leaks. Cool. All right. So from here, it's just a matter of putting everything back as it started. Put our tap handle on. And then I'm just going to turn that water off again. The next step, we'll put the mains back on and we'll test if we have a leaky shower, if it's worked. Right, can you hear that? It's the sound of success. We have no leaks coming from our shower anymore. Let's test if it's working. There we go, bit of air in there, it's coming out. And then we'll turn it off again. Perfect. Winner. $2, 2 minutes, mission accomplished.